Hi guys, I'm WadaC2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking two different brands of padlock. First is a Solex and the second is a Master all-weather. This is a video for a great little guy out there, new little buddy of mine, and his name is Andy Baker. Hope you're well, my little friend. Your dad comes on our UK Lock Sport forum and his name is Richard Wales. I know your dad is Rich, that's my name also. And the other day he told me three things about you. The first, he said you were both watching one of my videos and you really liked it. So thank you so much for liking my videos, Andy. There's going to be lots and lots more coming. The second thing that your dad told me is that you like padlocks. So I said I'd get a couple of padlocks out and pick them on video for you. So this video is for you, my friend. Say this one's a Solex. It's a 50mm padlock that I've had in my collection. It was quite dirty, so I've polished that up for you. And the second one is a Master all-weather padlock. That one has a key, but the Master padlock doesn't. The reason I've polished this up is because after picking both of the locks, I'm going to send them to you in the post to add with your other padlocks. It's probably going to be after Christmas when I send them, because I'm very busy with work and do funny shifts. But what I'll do is write to Andy from WadaC2 on each of the padlocks. So we'll get them picked open in a second. Now the third and most important thing that your dad told me is that it's your birthday today and you're 4 years of age. So happy birthday, Andy. And when wishing a happy birthday we've got to sing happy birthday, so here goes. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Andy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, mates. I hope you have a fantastic day and I hope you get some lovely presents from your mum and dad. Let's have a go at getting these picked open and hope I can pick these better than I can sing. So that's the key working in the Solex. We'll lock it back up. It's a lovely padlock. Tension needs to be slightly heavy on this. And start at the back. So pop the pick in, apply the tension and add a little bit more. That's picked open. So that's the Solex, nice and shiny brass 50mm padlock. This one has no key, so it's locked up. Put the tension wrench in. This one normally opens quite easily by moving to the front towards the back, and it's only a couple of pins that need to be set. And get the tension wrench in properly. go. That's the Master all-weather padlock, single pin picked as well. So like I say, Andy, my friend, I will get those out to you. More importantly, again, happy birthday, mates. Hope you have a fantastic 4th birthday, and I'll see you again in some other videos I do. Thank you for liking my videos. Happy birthday, Andy. Have a great day.